I got a reply from them. They pretty much said, please go learn English.
The JDs. JD.
Job descriptions,
JD.
red flags,
Red flag JD.
JD. JD.
job descriptions,
JD. JD.
JD.
They want less salaries. Please note.
Less
They want less salaries.
बहुत बात कर लिया.
बहुत ओवर टाइम हो गया यार. Hello.
Yes.
So after the first episode, Nikhil Kamath called me and said that please record the second one. So here, Nikhil.
Earwise has called me.
Acha. So we have been getting a lot of calls for the second episode. So here we are shooting, and the title or the episode name is "Why Don't You Read the JDs?"
Why?
Why?
Ask me if I read the document for this episode.
So do you guys agree that people do apply for the jobs without reading the JD?
Yes and no. Look, my first thing is you read the job title, but the job descriptions a lot of times, at least personally, are too extensive. And you read it and you just know it is also like ChatGPT.
ChatGPT is still okay, na? Because most of the series are ChatGPT.
No, but the question is that the question is that why do people do that?
There are थोड़े से jobs for a lot of people. So it's just about shooting your shot, and then you see relevant hai, I'll mail it. I don't have. I just see video editor. I just see video producer, videographer. I apply. Because I know I have experience in that, and I don't want to read utna and then maybe get turned off by what's written. Salary देगी या oh आपका नहीं करना अब नहीं पाएगा.
Like for a senior wala, ideally not, but for a junior role,
Definitely.
I think it's also people are in between, feels like they want to switch and all of that. So they put in key what I have worked in. So I have work experience. I have experience of being in a company, all of that, but not specifically in this field. So then they put their work experience, but they are probably looking to switch. So I think that is.
Have you ever applied for a job without reading the JD?
I skim through. I read what's मेरा आँख तेल पे जाता है. I go through it. बिना एक word देखा मैंने एक word देखा okay apply.
देख रहा है बिनो?
But I am aware enough to know कि क्या चल रहा है क्या लिखा है.
Meeting करते हैं Monday को.
Oh no, again. So, since you guys are, used to seeing a lot of resumes and you are part of the job, of the hiring process, what are your biggest red flags when people are applying?
My biggest one is not reading about the company we're applying for. Not going to the website. But most of the times when someone comes for the interview and they are like, the first question I ask them is, what do you know about us? So they're like, have you been through our website or something? No, I don't know what you guys do. So that's a big red flag for me.
Do you remember that hiring interview we were doing for that BD manager?
Yeah. Damn. That was one of the most memorable interviews I've ever had with someone.
So she came. She is like, I was going through your portfolio, which was not there on our website. I don't know which portfolio she was going through. And she was like, I think that there are a couple of mistakes in your video and it is not actually up to the mark and we can do something better. So I just politely asked her that which video are you referring to? She
Fair.
didn't have the answer. I mean, why do you do this? Just to stand out?
And we asked her which video, not because we were offended.
Yeah.
We are always up for constructive criticism, but we were pretty sure that she has not seen anything from our website.
Because the way she was responding to it, we wanted to know like which video. Maybe we can do something better in it. Or maybe remove it from the portfolio at least if it is not good. But she did not have the answer. And then we started,
And then
Okay.
the people who
Let's
try
not
to
talk
be-
about that position.
Yeah.
So people try to be over smart, like trying to sound too confident, even if they are not.
I think that's one of the red flag.
I mean, be honest.
Be honest,
You
yeah.
know this, हाँ पता है, नहीं पता तो नहीं पता. Very simple.
Don't lie, at least.
And again, the employers will like your honesty more than anything.
Definitely.
That's what I feel.
And they can judge, like if you're being honest or you're just saying it for the sake of saying
Because they have experience of hiring people, right? ये पहली बार नहीं कर रहे.
it.
So बंदे को देख के समझ जाता है कि
Personally, even what what I do is I go on their LinkedIn, see if they have their website on there, and then check. Actually, like go and check their website out, Instagram,
Yeah, what
है,
is-
क्या कर रहे हैं, culture क्या है.
Yeah.
So that even that helps you as well. Will you fit into this culture? What red flags you see
Yeah.
on their website as well? कि अच्छे से नहीं बना है, डिजाइन खराब है, तो मैं इसमें क्यों जाऊँ? New website shopping.
Fair enough. You need to. do
But
research.
a very big red flag for me is, sending a mail without a body copy. Without a body copy. Literally,
Quickly attaching
guys.
the CV.
Literally, I've just received a mail with attachment. Just an attachment. So,
No, hi,
Minimal
hello.
effort.
yeah.
No effort. That's not minimal. That's no effort.
I think a basic thing you can do is just ask, like, how are you, or you hope you're doing good. I think that should continue from our previous generation.
On the first call, it is a fair to, okay, they know the job title, not about the company as much, but for the interview, definitely you should, research.
Yeah.
हाँ, definitely. I have had an experience like this. So I wrote a mail to one of the a decently big studio. I did not check out what type of language they use, how they work, and I, being me, I wrote a very informal mail to them, and so I shot my mail to like around 60 to 70 firms before, like when I was looking for internships. So I was pretty much like, please reply de do. And then I got a reply from them. They pretty much said, please go learn English. Please go learn formal English. You should know how to write to people. Then I was like,
That's
okay.
my generation, I guess.
Yes. I was like, okay, lesson learned. Please look.
So tell your peers that.
हाँ, please look at the culture and see if you fit in. नहीं तो if you want to fit in.
अबे क्या look at the culture?
जबरदस्ती.
Write a proper email. वो बोल.
Wait, I was getting.
When in doubt, please write a proper
Ah,
formal email.
You
Formal.
have ChatGPT. So
If you want to fit in Zabardasti, please write a formal email, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, if you have a dream job at a dream company and you really want to get there, you'll have to fake something. Fake smartly, but.
So as an employer, what Gen Zs actually look for in a JD?
I think clear responsibilities. Like ideally, if after the job title it describes a day in the life of this, as in this job role would be this. I think then I'm sold. I exactly know what my at least the first couple of months would look like. So that would sell me on the company, and I'm like, okay, I know this is something I can do, or this is something I can see myself doing. So yeah.
Having
Fair.
fair expectations, right?
Yeah.
JD में responsibilities clearly होना चाहिए, but day to day life में फिर
करो या ना करो।
Not so personal.
थोड़ा सही बोल दिया आपने।
Personally, अगर it's very well properly like structured पहली बात, he, as he said, he clearly it states the responsibilities, what you have to do, what you have to know for the job. But then again, the way it is said, like again coming back to the culture wala thing, if I think, oh, these guys are fun, I will apply. I will be more interested in that job, like job application than most of the others. So, I'll be
so
looking forward.
do Gen Zs look out for a culture or document?
Yes, definitely. I mean, personally, me, yes, definitely. And I've heard a lot of. Kyunki, call back to the previous podcast, she said that we are known to be more casual. So, fun on the job is always welcome. So, if this sounds fun, then yes.
So as a business or as a company, we should have a culture document or a culture
Yes.
microsite on
The website. And I think the Instagram also says a lot about the business or the company as well.
And
We don't go on LinkedIn and check company.
I mean,
we do,
Check
but
their
like
Instagram.
yeah.
Basic concept की problem
अब मैं भी सुन रहा हूँ हाँ कर रहा हूँ क्या Instagram पे
Get with the time,
Instagram
yeah.
tells you the culture. Like
हाँ,
LinkedIn is what the company wants to
What?
be, or
Yes.
work more or
Work
is
related
trying to
ज़्यादा.
be wala cheez. Instagram actually, because you see the employees more. You know, so I think that is what.
Fair.
So basically, LinkedIn is when you guys are in office, and Instagram is when you guys are outside of
Fitting.
JNCs.
What instantly puts you off in a JD?
Responsibilities include, but not limited to, XYZ. matlab, so they give you
Ah.
20 things listed. Especially as a junior, you are responsible for this, but not limited to. And you're like, okay, 20 pointers I have gone through. अब इसके बाद not limited to में मतलब what else are you saying? And then when I talk to you or when I give you my resume, like how do I, if we are tailoring it, like what do I add from these 20?
बट तुम लोग के साथ थोड़ा सा सावधानी बरतना तो पड़ता है.
Yeah.
वो तो बोलेगी तो जेडी में तो था नहीं.
हाँ भाई कि clearly mentioning कि what the job is about and then also what you're offering. A lot of them what they do is they'll tell you कि इतना salary है actually, but then you'll have to clear the probation. That is तो एकदम कभी I've heard my friends say कि internship period is 1 साल का and then you get the job of junior and then you get the job of senior.
1 साल?
1 साल, हाँ.
And 1 year for internship is too much.
Too much.
1 year, yeah. इसलिए हम लोग जेडी डालते ही नहीं. लिखा ही नहीं है तो.
Less salary, good culture, or good salary, bad culture.
What is the difference between salary?
Less or more कितना?
Less or more?
It is not, I mean, 5-7 हजार का फर्क.
अच्छा, okay.
So what would you prefer?
I think as people who are newer to the workforce, I would say culture over.
Good culture,
Yeah.
not less, but decent salary is okay for you. And what about you?
I would rather be sure about my field than be put off by the bad culture present in it. मेरे को starting में ही धक्के वक्के लात वात पड़ रही है तो I would be like कि नहीं होगा यार छोड़ो जान दो. But if I get groomed by a company with good culture,
CFE.
so you are more likely to stick to the field, stick to the job, and you'll like life more in general.
Fair.
But I guess this was exactly opposite for our generation.
पैसे चाहिए ना.
See,
इनको पैसे नहीं चाहिए.
We were more into like it, because we did not, तब वो टाइम पे इतना था नहीं culture, toxicity, ये सब अभी नया आया.
उधर सब टॉक्सिक था.
हाँ. टी से हम लोग को टी ही पता था.
हाँ.
चाय और कुछ नहीं. We did not know about toxicity and all of this. But good, that's a good thought.
हाँ, मतलब I liked how he said that, you know, it will help him keep the interest in the field at least.
Otherwise you get frustrated and
Yeah. And also when we are newer in the industry, a lot of us are also trying new things. You know, you might have switched from another job or you
Yeah.
might have done your bachelor's in something, but you're doing a completely different thing. So a toxic company is your first look into that field. And then you don't know if you're leaving the company or if you're leaving the field because of the culture. So that might also be an issue.
I mean, yeah, fair enough. It's okay to hate your boss, but you should never hate your work. That's what I feel.
But you are also
Don't hate
here.
us.
Doesn't matter.
No, it does.
Worst boss.
As Kunal Khemu says, what have we learned and what do we know from this podcast? From a Gen Z's perspective, I think the JD should be clear.
Clarity is key.
Clarity is key. We should have a good, well-written JD.
Roles and responsibilities.
Yeah. You go for culture first.
And they want less salaries. Please note.
And from an employer's perspective, I think you guys should be formal at least. You guys should have
required.
basic courtesy. You guys should write proper email.
Just know the company.
And you should communicate. At least communicate. नहीं आना है मत आओ. So yeah, next episode she has been begging me like anything. She wants to discuss some horror stories at workplace. So yeah, we'll do horror stories at workplace.
Not from CFE. Not from
Good,
CFE.
not
Yet.
We have a lot of. We can discuss that.
We have a lot of horror stories, but we need some from you also.
I have.
Cool. ठीक है.
See you
चलो.
guys in the next episode.
बंद करो चलो.
चलो bye. बहुत बात कर लिया.
बहुत ओवर टाइम हो गया यार.